Today, I'm incredibly excited to show you the incredibly handy and useful app, RoboKiller. The new app that allows you to block spam calls, keep an eye on suspicious phone numbers, and even create your very own message to get back at spammers. With RoboKiller, you can automatically keep your phone safe from thousands of fraud and spam numbers, making your life so much easier. Explore the many awesome features of RoboKiller in this sponsored video and discover how you can completely change the way you manage your phone security and get rid of those pesky robocallers with this incredible app. You can download RoboKiller today using the link on the screen or in the description. All right, let's take a closer look. With spam calls becoming a growing problem for cell phone users, I know I get a lot of calls myself. It's important to stay safe and recognize who's calling you before you pick up the phone. Not to mention, they're just plain annoying. With RoboKiller, you can make sure that your phone number will be protected from spammers and scammers at all times. Start off by creating an account and paying a small monthly subscription to RoboKiller. Once the app is installed, RoboKiller will automatically block over 1 million recognized fraud and spam numbers from ever calling you. That means you don't have to get those calls again. The app also allows you to check recent activity and block any numbers that might seem suspicious with the simple push of a button. You can also choose to block neighbor spoof calls, which are designed to look like they're coming from a similar phone number to yours, but they actually aren't. This way, you'll never mistake a spam or fraud number for a family friend or somebody on your street. Blocking can also be turned on or off at any time, giving you complete control over how your phone is protected. With so many options and ways to fight back, and the ability to get rid of those spam calls that are just so annoying, you'll never have to worry about these robocalls again. Another great feature of RoboKiller are answer bots, where you can direct spammers and block numbers to an automated message of your choosing. RoboKiller has a wide variety of recordings like celebrity impersonations, annoying voices, and funny audio bits that will answer the fraudulent calls for you as a fun and entertaining way to get back at spammers. You can even create your very own message with the app's recording feature by selecting multiple recordings you like, both from original in the app's library or recording your own messages. You can leave those spammers annoyed and you satisfied. Whether you want simple protection or a little bit of revenge, RoboKiller is bound to have something for everyone. And with so many ways to use it, RoboKiller is unique, fun, and extremely useful to keep your phone safe and away from all of those awful spam and fraud calls that blow up your phone, as well as making sure that you can block numbers you want to block. So be sure not to miss out on this incredible app and download RoboKiller today using the link on the screen or in the description. Enjoy.